This is it. Your girl is done with Waco, and I'm gonna go to the campus. Give me a little one last look before I dip and go from there. So you guys, this is my last time I'm gonna be on campus. I'm probably gonna come back for homecoming, but this is my last time. Look at it, that's the PSB building, that's the science building. That's one of our biggest buildings on campus. And people are still on campus, just walking around. So honestly, I'm just showing you guys some more of the campus because we had to leave school because of Corona. I wasn't able to give y'all another tour, like show you guys different parts of the campus. I couldn't do it because I wasn't here. So I'm trying to give it one last run because I know you guys like my Baylor vlogs, and I was so excited to do like a graduation vlog, like the days I was gonna walk and all that type of stuff, but that got canceled. So I already got a video showing all of this. That's the police department. I showed you guys this in my other vlog. Some of, I guess these are off-campus apartments, and I know in my Q&A video you guys asked me about some of the campus living and off-campus living, so here are some apartments. I know many of you guys asked me which ones do I recommend. So this is more of off-campus living. Honestly, you guys, some of the off-campus living that I'm showing you guys, like these apartments, I don't really know a lot of students that stay in them. Me personally, I don't know a lot of students that stay in them. But here's the view. I told you guys about the view in my Q&A. And this is one of the apartments that I stayed in. It is very nice inside. And then up here is Viewpoint. Stay in the view. I used to come and I walk to Domino's to get some pizza because it's like not a far walk. And so here is more off-campus living. I'm not sure if students stay over here. I think they do. They do. They stay over here. These are students. Those are more off-campus housing too. All right. We are now on the cul-de-sac, and this is where you have all the different buildings that we have. So you have the police department. I think that's the Handmakers building. And you got the library. This is the other library, and those are the religion buildings. And that is Bobo Spiritual Life Center. So this is the back of one of the religion buildings, and then right here is this chapel. This is Waco Hall right here. So this is where chapel happens. This is the back of chapel. But if you go look at my other vlog, I have footage of me going inside chapel. And so right here we're about to pass up one of the dorms, and this is Allen Hall. And I don't know if this is a co-ed dorm or if this is just guys or girls, I'm not sure, but this is one of the dorms. In this street we're gonna pass up Collins, and that's another dorm here at Baylor, and that is an all girls dorm. Honestly, it's one of the dorms where they have like community bathrooms, you have a smaller room. So this is Collins right here. This is probably one of the most famous dorms that we have on campus. It's not one of them that I wanted to stay in because you have community bathrooms and your room is very small. But I know a lot of students that stayed in Collins. Most of them did it because their parents told them that they wanted to do it because they did it when they came to Baylor. So it's kind of like a tradition for many students here. And then you have Pat Neff, and it lights up green at night. Of course it's not lit up right now because it's still daytime. Okay, so you guys, now that it's Corona and this is my move out day, I just wanted to, I know that I was gonna do another Baylor vlog, another day in my life, but I couldn't do that because of the Corona. So I'm just giving y'all one last little tour for you guys. So this is the bookstore right there, and it's not open right now. And I'm gonna show you guys what's at this is our bookstore. This is all the little goodies that we have, plus more. But I'm just showing you guys a little snippet of what's in the bookstore. All this good stuff right here. And fun fact, we do sell Apple products at our bookstore. We have Apple laptops, Apple TVs, Apple everything, you know what I mean? So we do have electronics. And a fun fact is, let me tell you guys about this. So at the Baylor bookstore, if you cannot afford, if you can't afford a laptop, they will have it to where you can get a payment plan and they will give you a loan for a laptop. So for those of you guys that ask me about affording a laptop or something to take notes on, they do have laptops there that you can get a loan for. Okay, so right here, I'm sorry you guys, if you hear me breathing, I just ran to the bookstore. I don't know why, but this is one of the residence hall right here. This is Russell, not Russell, well, which one? This is Penland Residence Hall. So Penland Residence Hall, it's also a cafeteria attached to it on the other side. And I think this is, I don't know if it's co-ed, I'm not sure. But right here you have the tennis court. And as you can see, students are playing tennis. So they are doing activities right now, even though it's the Corona, they're trying to make the best of it. And then you have our bridge, our lovely bridge. And you can see my madre right there waiting for me and my father. They helped me move out today, which was very great. And then we're basically in the heart of the campus a little bit. The heart of the campus is like right there. So right here, this is where the bears are. And as you can see, it has a walkway with the palms, and this has different people that they are recognizing right here. See that? All right. Okay, so I'm not sure if I showed you guys this in my last vlog, but this is the bear habitat. This is where Joy and Lady stays, but they're currently not here. I don't know if it's because of the Corona or if it's because there's no students here, which I can understand, but this is where they stay right here. And this is them, Joy and Lady. You got that right there. Okay, you guys, excuse how I look. I just moved out today, so I look a little raggedy, but that's okay. I'm doing this for you guys because I know y'all like to see a lot of my Baylor vlogs. So right here is the bear habitat. You have Joy and Lady. They're currently not here. I don't know why. One of them was sick. I don't know which one it was, if it was Joy or Lady, but one of them was sick. And fun fact, this habitat was originally created in 1914. They had all the students vote on the animals that they want to have on campus, and a bear was one of them. They had, come right here, let's go see, because I can't remember. Okay, so right here, it says that on December 14th, 1914, the students of Baylor voted to have a bear represented the university as its mascot. The nominees included a buffalo, an eagle, an antelope, bookworm, frog, a ferret, and a bear. And the bear was elected by a little more than half of 406 votes. So the students voted for this to happen. So this is pretty old, this whole thing. So as we come over here, this is another part of the habitat. It just kind of sucks because the bears aren't here, so you're kind of not getting the feel of it, but you guys are gonna see where they stay. So this is another part of where they stay. Another fun fact, this bridge right here, which is so pretty and has all the little leaves around it, this was something that was created in 2005, and it has it right here. Baylor University is grateful to Baylor/Waco Foundation for the generous support that provided the bridge to feature in the habitat walkway. So this is a little cute thing that you can have, and I've seen a lot of students, they take pictures right here, and right here they have it to where you can see the bears, and so people will stand here and they're like, come and take pictures, or they'll stand right here and they'll come take pictures. So that's a little cute thing that you can do when you're coming to the Baylor, the habitat right here. So yes, this is the habitat. I wish that the bears were here for you guys, but I did the best I could do. Let's just blame Corona for that. So yeah, and then right here is more of the walkway. It's so pretty. So when you come visit Baylor, make sure you come see the habitat and make sure you get some fun pictures. Okay, you guys, so this is my last virtual tour for you guys. I don't know when I'm gonna be back at Baylor. I'm probably gonna come back for homecoming or any other events that they have. It's kind of bittersweet. I'm kind of sad because I really, really wanted to give you guys another virtual tour. I wanted to vlog my day, but Corona kind of took that away from me. So I hope this little mini tour kind of help you incoming freshmen or incoming transfers or anybody that's interested in Baylor. So hopefully this helps you. So if you enjoyed this little short tour video, just make sure you like and comment and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.